everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming another bikini try-on haul. You guys really enjoyed my last one. So Escape Swimwear was nice enough to send me over a couple pieces to show you guys. Escape Swimwear is actually a Canadian-based company, which I really like, especially because I live in Canada. I just love supporting brands, especially like that. Despite being a Canadian brand, Escape Swimwear has exclusive designs that you can only find on their website, but they also ship worldwide, so no matter where you live in the world, you will be able to pick yourself up some of these super cute suits. Sizes of their suits also range from extra small to double XL, as they believe everybody should be able to find a suit that they feel confident and comfortable in. I highly suggest going over and following them on Instagram. They do tons of giveaways. I'm constantly seeing people win bikinis from them and get really cute suits, so definitely follow them on their Instagram. I'll have it linked down below, as well as I'll also have all of the suits that I'm showing in this video. I also have my discount code and everything else linked down below, so definitely be sure to go check that out because you guys are going to love this stuff. Now, without further ado, let's just get onto the video. So the first suit is definitely out of my comfort zone, nothing I've ever tried before, but I saw it on the website and it was so cute, so I had to pick it up. So it's really hard to see, but it is just a one-piece bathing suit. Again, I never have one pieces, but this one was just so different and I thought it'd be really cute for vacation, like at a beach party, anything like that, how they have those little events on vacation. So it's just white, and again, you guys will see better in the try on portion, but it just has this bow that comes right across, and I think this looks really nice and really just frames your body super duper nice. And then the back is kind of open on your back, and it's just this really nice white color, so obviously it will make you look a bit more tan than you are. All of their suits are such high quality. You can see even in the stitching, and so there's padding and then the seam inside. It's just really good quality. It's not going to fall apart, which is always very good. So the next suit I got is this red little bikini, and it just looks like this. The bottoms are kind of cheeky, they're a little bit high-rise, and then it just has some gold hardware on the back that says Escape Swimwear. Top has been a huge trend for this summer, so I definitely thought that I would pick this up. So it's just this little bikini top, and it just has the underwire that goes all the way across, and it's just this really pretty red color. I absolutely love any red clothing, bikinis, anything. So I had to get this in this red color. I think it makes a really nice statement and it just makes you feel really good when you're wearing it. And the last one that they sent me is this really bright neon, kind of like a yellowy green. It's like I would say highlighter yellow. That's how I would describe it. Again, this one's similar to the last one I showed you guys. It has that underwire, but this one has padding in the back, whereas the other one didn't. Yeah, so it's just this underwire, and then it kind of like a little V in the middle. And then these bottoms aren't cheeky at all, so it just depends what style you're looking for. But this is more of a full coverage, so this would be good for family vacation, or if you're just gonna be with people and you want to be a little bit more covered up. So yeah, those are all the swimsuits that Escape Swimwear did send over to me. I am absolutely in love with all of them. I can't wait to wear all of them. I just think they're super cute and they make you feel really good and confident in them, which is always the best thing when you're wearing a bikini. Again, everything will be linked down below, along with Escape Swimwear's Instagram, as well as my discount code and my link where you guys can go shop for these really cute suits. Other than that, that is my video for today. I really hope that you guys did enjoy. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe for a ton of back to school and college content coming super soon, and thumbs up this video if you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!